I could see it in your eyes. You have the look of a person that accepts what they see because they're expecting to wake up. You've always felt like there's something wrong with this world, beyond the surface, beyond the news and the media and the toxicity online. But you've always felt powerless and frustrated. It doesn't matter what you do, you can't seem to change it. And those feelings have brought you to me. I am here to pull back the curtain and show you the truth, to educate, entertain, and enlighten you, to show you that there is a better way, that humankind can have a world of equality, peace, harmony, security. All that negative stuff that gives you nightmares no longer exists, and we have advancements, we evolve, and we have an amazing world where everybody has everything that they need. But ultimately, the decision needs to start with you. All I offer is a better way, the truth, the best I can provide. You take the blue pill, remain ignorant, misguided, wake up tomorrow morning in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you watch the show, each and every episode. I educate, entertain, enlighten you, and together we work for a better future for all of us. The choice is up to you.
Yeah.
Is everything in place?
You like him, don't you? You like watching him.
Morpheus believes he is the one.
Do you?
It doesn't matter what I believe.